guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna learn how to use a Google Classroom, how students submit their work. In our last video, we said how students submit their work. But before I start the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, let's start. The students they submit is like this. So students get an email or they need to join class like this. They can join class or create class. We joined and our class is this. And we need to submit. So we submit like this. First they need to open a Google Doc. And then click on that Google Doc because they want to do their work. And for example, we write 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And you don't need to click save or anything like PowerPoint and Google. You can just close because it's already saved. And then click submit or resubmit if you want to resubmit your work. And then this is how teacher grade. The teachers grade like this. They can grade like we just put 80 out of 100. And you also can edit it like 80. So we give the student 80 out of 80 full mark. And then you can write a private comment. You can private comment like this. And the student will also get a comment from the teacher. If you reload it, then you will get it. Good job. And this is how you get a comment. And now, how teachers change their theme. So we need to press the select theme. We are maths and science. Let's choose this one. That's the same one. Oh, this is the calculators. Wait, isn't this in our last video? Let's choose this. Ta-da! And remember how we create an assignment? You need to click create, go to classwork, click create, and then we need to click quiz assignment. Anything you want, just click it. And if you want to see your student grades, you need to go to your grades. For this, and you can see all of your students' grade like this. You can also change your class settings like this one. You can also change. For now, we didn't even do any changes. So if you want to if you want to see this bigger, like if you can't see properly, then click display. Ta-da! That's how you do it. Alright, thank you everyone. Oh wait, sorry, it's not there yet. And also, students can also view what time is their assignment submit. Like this. Do you remember that in our last video, this one is submitted in May 16. This is submitted tomorrow in May 16. And I also can And we also can do like this. If it's your students, then click your students. But if you can select by your students. If it's all students, then it will be all students. If it's not students, then only that person can receive it if you choose that student. Okay, this is how we use an online platform. And you can also add a YouTube, a file, a link, or your Google Drive docs. Okay, and we post it, and then this is our this one, and you will see stream was updated. That means do you remember thank you class? That is what it's gonna be. See, I told you. So this is how you do it. And you can also comment like this. If you comment like this, every student can hear it. I mean, every student can see. Okay, that's how we use a Google Classroom. This is the last part. In our next video will be the Google Slides. See you in the next video. Bye. Please like, share, subscribe.